Almost, Eli. You're almost there. Oh, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, you're stuck. You're so close, buddy. Don't get frustrated. Look over here. Look over here. Here's the hippo. Oh, you're so close, buddy. You're so close. Don't get frustrated. Oh, you're here. You're here. You just gotta figure out what to do. You're okay. You're okay, bud. Mommy's right here. Mommy's right here. What are you gonna do with that arm? Oh, that arm's gonna get stuck. You got it. Here. I know you want your hippo. Oh, buddy, you were so close.